Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Take a few minutes and let's check out this 1967 Ford Mustang Convertible. Factory 289 C-code car. C4 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power new black top with like a little see-through sunroof in it. Real cool, I haven't seen one of those. Body's in real good shape. Older paint, still shows well. Driver quality, but it's in real good shape. The body's really straight on this car. No crazy, out of the question, marks or anything, and we're gonna go through it. I just got done driving it, and I do have to say it drives down the road real well. Suspension is real good. Engine's smooth, shifts the way it should, brakes the way it should. Go through this baby and you make the choice for yourself, but this happens to be a really nice car. All your chrome in the front is in great shape. Valance on the bottom's fine, no story. All your grills are good. Lights, I see some of the paint, from older paint job, but it's fine. It's driver quality and it looks real good. Lines up good all the way throughout. All your wipers and gauges are working properly the way they should. All your lights and turn signals, all that is working the way it should as well. Upgraded lights up here. Factory wheel tire package. Tires are in great shape. All your wheels are in good shape. Front fender lines up to the door good. On the bottom, fine. It's got to be a 15, 16-year-old paint job. You can see a little bit on the bottom. I'll show you, just so you're not surprised. But this is driver. To the quarter, it lines up great. Gap is where it should be. Rear quarter, great. You got the boot on there. I'll show you that as well. Chrome bumper's in good shape. All your lights, like I said, are working. Dual exhaust with a nice set of headers is on this car. You'll see that when we open up to take a look. But all your lights and stuff are working. Trunk lines up the way it should. This car is going to come with a huge amount of receipts. I mean, just 3 packets of since when he owned it. And we re-acquired. I mean, just tons and tons of paperwork. I took some pictures. They're going to be online, as well as pictures of the underneath. Trunk is in great shape all the way throughout. It's clean, clean, clean. Rear passenger quarters in good shape. Little paint knocked off those wheels, which could be easily painted. Lines up great to the door. Underneath lines up good, and fender to door is great. Nice car. I'll get on an angle. A lot of fun to drive, especially when the weather's like this today. 85 and sunny. Check this out. This has been totally rebuilt. Only has 2,700 miles on this car. Look how clean it is in here. Nice set of headers. Heat bins. Nicely built. Power steering, power brakes. All your belts and hoses are in good shape all the way throughout. It's real clean. Aluminum radiator. Keep you nice and cool. Nice underneath there. You got your boot cover. I took pictures of the top. It's online. It's new. Interior's freshly done. Really nice. I like the two-tone. All the way down. C-code car. Seems pretty original, most of it. Nice little console in the center. Does that open up? Yeah, opens up. Nice. Your automatic trans C4. 2,792 miles. Your dash is good, everybody. Real nice. It's a nice car. They all need something. Don't get me wrong, but not a lot. This is a nice one. Let me get back under here again. I'll fire it up. Get the keys. All right, come on, Mustang Sally. Right up. All your gauges are working. Fuel gauge is working, all your wipers. Nice set of exhaust, hooked up to those headers. Listen up quiet. What I call nice. So if you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, you need at least 10% down. Go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. That's mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now. We'll go up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the app. It takes about 24 hours for approval or sooner. Sometimes no money down, up to 84 months as well. Look how clean this it is. Nice car. If you're looking to get some shipping quotes or need information on any of our product, we've got over 100 in stock. They're all on our website. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and closed. Please text me if you have any questions on our cars or need quotes on shipping at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. Text me or call me. I will get you in, 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. And thanks for spending a few minutes on this 67 289 Mustang. Hope we get this thing home with you. Have a good day.